Hello everyone, welcome back to another video my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Sanshu price prediction. My friends, first of all, if you talk about the price changes, if you talk about the latest update of the Sanshu, so before starting this video, before talking more about the Sanshu, please, if you like cryptocurrency, so please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more updates, for more news videos, my friends. So hope you like this video and hope you also subscribe my channel. My friend, this time if you talk about the price of the Sanshu, so 22.52% the price changes is positive, my friends. Absolutely, now in this time the Sanshu is the mostly fastest token in the market, my friends. And if you want to invest in a cryptocurrencies market, so I really recommend for everyone to please invest more and more Sanshu, because now it is the beginning of the Sanshu, and now this time the price of the Sanshu is 0.00001 USD dollar. The price of the Sanshu is very low, my friends. That is why I really recommend for everyone to please invest in a Sanshu, my friends. Anyways, let's talk more about the Sanshu. Let's see the price statistic of the Sanshu. Let's see the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, more about, but here they are loading. Oh, the pricing is also increasing, but trading volume, my friends, you can see here now Sanshu is the mostly new trend coin in the market. That is why the trading volume of the Sanshu is increased by 21.90%. The Sanshu is start increasing, my friends. My friends, this time you can see here, if you talk about the market cap, so market cap is not available here, and more the fully diluted market cap is 64.47% is start increasing, my friends. So that's another success of the Sanshu, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this coin, so invest more and more in the Sanshu, my friends. Hope they will give you good amount of profit, my friends. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates and news videos.